This is the Volkswagen e-Golf, and in order to replace the wipers, you will need to put the wipers, the front wipers, in the service position. How can you do that? In my case, it's the metal key ignition. So in my case, I will need to turn on ignition, then turn it off, and then push once on this stalk down. And now I have the service position of the wiper blades, of the wipers. Because if you don't engage service position, you're going to damage the hood here if you just raise the wipers. So now you can raise the wipers. Here you have the button, the release button, and you just need to pull out each wiper. Press the button and just pull it out. Also, don't leave it like that. If you want to do something and not hold this arm, you need to put it all the way down very carefully, because otherwise, if it falls under the strength of this spring, it will break your windshield. So be careful with that. When it's in upright position, take your new wiper and just click it in place, and that's all. So this is pretty easy. Now the wipers are still in the service position, and I want to turn on the ignition and just move the stalk once down, and that's all. So the service position is, it's not that easy, and you may not get it from the first time, but usually after you try several times, it's not a problem to engage the service position. Also, if you have a push button start, you need to press the button once without pressing the brake, then press it again without pressing the brake to turn off the car, and push this stalk down. So it's actually the same that with the key. You turn on ignition, turn off ignition, and then push the stalk down. And with the rear wiper, things are pretty much the same. Here is the button, you need to press it and simultaneously pull the wiper out. Possible even with one hand. And install it this way. Just press the button now to let it squeeze, and make sure it clicks in position. That's all. And also don't leave this lever without the wiper hanging like this. Carefully put it without the wiper on the window to avoid damaging, scratching the window.